Here we are, the Silver Tempest ETB. Colin's gonna hold the camera for me. This came out today.
Wait, it came out today?
This came out today, yes.
Right.
First time.
Ooh, that's a nice box.
Volpex. Volpex, yes. Nice little guide.
This is a good time.
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 8. Okay. So, Regilucky, Regidrago, Lugia for some reason. Alolan Vulpix. I guess it is silver. Another Regilucky, Regidrago. And 1, 2, 3. You have your own Pokemon cards, so. Alright. So, I'll do this one. You pick one.
Lugia sounds cool.
You pick one. Nice. You pick one. Colin, which one do you want?
You mean the Regilucky?
Top or bottom?
Bottom.
Alright. And then... Yeah, I'm going Lugia. And then... Yeah, Key, you take another one. And Colin? Maybe Logan will let you take another one. Alright, so the way that this happens, so I'm gonna start with Lugia, but you open it like this, and the Pokemon symbol will be towards the front.
Okay.
And there will be one digital card, throw that in the garbage, but you take these four, you put them to the front, and there will be an energy right here.
Okay.
And then from here, the last one is going to be the most rare one. And then sometimes they're color-coded, where the, like there will be a black version and a white version.
Right.
So this could be color-coded or not, I don't really know. So, water energy, Dragonair, Venomoth, Wallace, Rotom, Baneri, Dreepy, Fimpy, Fletchling, and a Cobalion, and a Regilucky V. Okay, those two are pretty cool.
That's tight.
Yeah. Oh, and what do the sleeves look like for this one? Ooh, look at that. Nice little Vulpix sleeve. So we'll sleeve all the hollows, and I like to sleeve the reverse hollows too, because it gives you a lot of sleeves. So just take one of these, slice them on in there.
Oh, you can really see it now.
Yeah, but it's safe. So, cool. All right. So that's the first box. Now cute.
Okay. So, open it up.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying not to, like, be crazy.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
You kind of pull there, and then there's a little slit right there.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's going. Okay.
All right.
Like that.
Yeah, just like that. Pull all the way down.
Oh, goodness. There it is. Okay.
Okay, so that's a white one, so you might have a better chance of having a rare one.
Okay.
So, yeah, but throw that away if you don't want that.
So go
Take the
1,
first 4.
2, 3, 4.
Move them to the front.
That?
Yep.
Okay.
And there should be an energy right there.
Okay. Energy.
Electric. All right.
Emergency jelly. Serena. I'll keep that one for myself.
Yeah, you feel free.
I don't know how to say that.
Sigilyph.
Sigilyph. Swirlix. Marini.
Marianne.
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 Indeedee.
Indeedee.
Indeedee. Ball toy. Sun current.
Reverse hollow Hisuian Braviary. It's pretty cool.
That's really sick.
And just a Zygarde. Okay, so the black ones are good.
Black ones are better.
Yeah. All right,
Okay.
so we'll sleeve the reverse hollow
That feels good.
right there. That's a cool one.
I like that.
Hisuian Braviary is really cool.
Yeah, that looks sick.
There you go. Yeah, just like that. Ooh, the Duraludon. Ooh. Dang, yeah, those are cool.
Where'd you place it?
I just put them right here. All right, Jacob's turn. The Regieleki.
No. It's so hard to open, bro.
Yep, there you go. Yep,
It's all weird.
just like that. There you go. Flip it around. Okay,
Black.
so a better
There.
deck then. Okay, take the top 4, move them down.
There you go. Shuffle. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
So
Alright.
grass energy.
Grass energy.
Gym trainer.
Gym trainer.
Curlia. Torracat. Gwink. Petalil. Litten. Swallow. That's a cool art for Swallow. Ooh. Murkra.
Hey.
Ooh, that's a full art melodic right there.
That's
And then,
nice.
There's one
yeah, and then
more.
there's one more underneath. Ooh, Hollow Articuno.
That's good.
That's sweet. That one is really, really cool.
Yeah, it's sick.
Here.
That's it.
Here, you put it in. I'll
Yeah.
flip and
Okay.
Oh.
Oh, dude.
That's sick.
Oh, that's a really cool one. So that's like a new type of card that they did,
Yeah.
a trainer gallery, that has some of the coolest art.
I'm a big Articuno fan.
Trainer gallery number 2. There.
I like the Aeolin Articuno. That was cool.
Yeah. Oh, that's actually a really cool art for Articuno too.
Yeah, I think that one's fairly common
Yeah.
What is?
for a training gallery.
Sweet.
Still tight though.
All right. Logan.
Yeah. Pass it on.
I see. Yeah. Oh.
There you go.
What's your mic?
You know what? You're kind of embarrassing.
Is he still not got it? Oh my gosh. Hey, just grab right here and grab right here and pull, and then it'll open up a little bit.
I think I've been over it.
Ah, there you go.
It's white.
Ah, it's a white one. Not a fan of that.
We hate the light.
Yes.
Toxicroak. Jinx. Jinx Pex. Dark type. Snorunt. Duncan. Crow. Sandbell.
Reverse hollow.
Behian. And Incineroar.
Okay. So, pretty terrible pack, but
Pretty crappy.
Good reverse hollow, I like that.
yeah, that's true.
A decent reversal.
Yeah, it looks cool.
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, that art is really cool.
Yeah, I like the art.
This Incineroar is kind of interesting. It's asleep.
That is pretty cool. I like that.
Alright.
All right. All right. Alolan Vulpix. The only Alolan Vulpix pack we got. So, it might be something special, or it might be garbage.
Oh wow, that was a lot smoother than all of ours.
It's a white. Die, whitey. Okay. Honchkrow, Ninetales. Okay. That's a cool Zubat. Cool Solosis. Helgium. Reverse Hollow Metacham. And a Flayon. Alright. Pretty garbage. But that's okay. That's okay. This is all a gamble, you know. It's all a gamble. You might get good cards, you might get terrible cards. It's all the luck of the trade. Alright. 3 more packs left. Let's see what kind of luck we get. I think the coolest one so far is the Melodic.
I'm a big fan. I really like their fingernails, but that has a lot of cool artwork on it.
Yeah. Alright, very nice. So.
You gotta be kidding me, bro.
Are you kidding me?
I hate the white.
Me too.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Disclaimer, I'm white.
Disclaimer, I'm also white, on Caucasian descent. And decent.
Decent.
Alright.
Okay.
Something. Snurpluff. Lance. Harshin. Fungus. Sandygast. How much will you? I can't.
Oh, Reverse Hollow Wailord.
I'm a big fan. Arcanine.
Did Arcanine. That's cool art for the Arcanine.
Yeah, it is.
I like it.
I like that Warlord a lot.
Yeah.
It's getting big.
There you go.
Oh, upside down.
Sweet. Ricky Drago.
So far, you pulled the coolest ones.
That is true. The worst thing we can get now is a white.
Oh
Oh
gosh.
gosh. Idiots. Stupid.
What's that?
Oh, that's one of those V-Star cards. So that like replaces the energy. So.
Let's go!
Yes,
We
sir!
got a V-Star!
Oh! Sweep that bad boy up.
It's a big
Putting
one.
thumbprints on it.
What's up?
Putting thumbprints.
Hold this for me.
Sleeve that. Sleeve that.
Good night.
Did I do the 4-star?
Yes, sir.
Oh, flip it around so we can see.
Just like that.
So we got Dujin.
V-Guard Energy.
Ooh,
That's pretty cool.
cool artwork actually. Yeah, Hypno Donald. Amogus. Can I go? Reverse Hollow T. It's kind of nice. And he's an elegant. That's pretty cool art too. Nice. Well, not so nice. Well, we got the V-Star card.
Yeah.
So
That was so
That's a
tight.
win.
let's go.
Let's go.
Like this.
Look at that.
Okay.
All right, final pack. Let's see. Hold on. We've gotten
Just one.
2 blacks. 1 black.
One black and one.
No, 2 black.
2.
Because Carter pulled the.
Yeah, Carter's first one was black.
Yeah, I got. So we've gone 2 blacks and. Oh my gosh! What terrible luck.
White again?
Yeah. All right.
Jinx. Brandon.
Hi, Brandon.
Altair.
area.
Why are you white?
Why is it normal? Kameko. The bass.
Spinarak. Beldum.
Keldeo.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I like Keldeo.
Nice reverse hollow. Keldeo. And Armaldo.
Okay, that's a terrible last card. Why would Armaldo ever be the last card? Alright, well,
Just leave the Keldeo.
yeah, sleep the
All my
Keldeo.
homies hate Armaldo.
Yeah. I mean, he's a nice little, like, butler Pokemon, but he should never be last. Alright.
Alright, on to the
1,
next
2,
one.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay,
7.
Go crazy. How do you want to do it again?
Oh my gosh. So, in case you didn't catch on, we've got 6 bad packs and 2 good packs. So that was a pretty terrible ETB we got there. But we did get we got some nice reverse hollows. This Milotic is the coolest thing we got for sure.
Let's go.
And then the Articuno was really cool.
And a Regilucky.
And yeah, the Regilucky.
And
And the V-Star.
Of course, the
The
V-Star.
V-Star.
Yeah.
Dang, I got 2 of the coolest cards. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah, good job, Jacob. You did great. Yeah, so these are really cool. I'm pretty happy with these. Like, especially like these,
Yeah,
these
yeah.
ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, these ones are really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So cool. All right. So not the best luck.
Oh, wait.
Not the best luck. But we did. Oh! I forgot about this. The guy at the store gave us a special Halloween pack for buying Pokemon cards. So, go ahead and open this one. Maybe, I mean, might as well do it during this one video. It's only 3 cards, so it doesn't make sense to do its own video for that, you know? Alright, let's take it. Oh!
Look at that Mimikyu.
That's a Mimikyu,
Hollow.
a Phantom, and a Dusclops.
That's cool. Or
Off the
Dusclops.
rips. Off the rip hollow.
Dang, that one's really cool.
I like that. Who was
Yeah.
that from?
That was from the Halloween pack.
He just gave it to us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
Bad
guy
boy.
at the counter gave
Yeah.
a free Halloween pack.
Let's go.
Was this like the McDonald's promotion thing?
It looks like it.
Yeah, because it has the.
But I don't feel like my McDonald's cards didn't have a pumpkin Pikachu on them. Although I haven't looked at them since I got them, so.
Yeah, if you want to check out that video, I'll link it down below. It's in the same playlist. All right. Sweet. Yeah, not the best pack today, but I was pretty happy with the Milotic and the Articuno, thanks to this man right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Lucky
on.
Hands right there.
Hey, look at
Yeah,
these
look at those hands. Ah. All right, take care for the next video.